Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey through the history of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the Volkswagen Beetle. This beloved vehicle has captured the hearts of millions around the world, and its story is as unique as its design. From its controversial beginnings in the 1930s to its status as a cultural icon, the Beetle's journey is a testament to resilience, innovation, and the power of design. So, buckle up as we explore the fascinating tale of the VW Beetle. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decoration. Did you know that the Beetle was originally commissioned by Adolf Hitler? Yes, you heard that right. The origins of the VW Beetle can be traced back to the early 1930s when Ferdinand Porsche was tasked with creating a people's car that would be affordable and practical for the average German citizen. This ambitious project was supported by Hitler, who envisioned the Beetle as a means to promote mobility for the masses. The design was simple yet effective, featuring a rounded shape, a rear engine layout, and a distinctive silhouette that would become its signature. However, the Beetle's early production was interrupted by World War II, as the factory was repurposed for military vehicles. It wasn't until after the war that the Beetle would truly begin its ascent. Fast forward to the post-war era, and the Beetle quickly gained popularity, particularly in the 1950s and 1960s. Its affordability, reliability, and distinctive design made it a favorite among consumers. Volkswagen's innovative marketing strategies, such as the famous "Think Small" campaign, helped position the Beetle as a quirky and dependable choice. This campaign not only highlighted the car's unique features but also resonated with a generation that valued individuality and simplicity. The Beetle became a symbol of freedom and self-expression, especially in the United States, where it was embraced by the counterculture movement. The car was often seen as a statement against the conformity of the time, appealing to young people who sought to break free from societal norms. But the Beetle's influence didn't stop there. It became more than just a car. It evolved into a cultural phenomenon. The 1960s saw the rise of the Beetle generation, with the car becoming synonymous with the hippie movement. Its compact size and fuel efficiency made it an ideal choice for road trips and adventures, embodying the spirit of exploration and freedom. The Beetle was often adorned with colorful paint jobs and creative designs, further solidifying its status as a symbol of individuality. And let's not forget its iconic appearances in film and media. The Beetle became a beloved character in movies, most notably as the lovable Herbie in the classic film, The Love Bug. Herbie, a sentient beetle with a mind of its own, captured the imagination of audiences and solidified the car's place in pop culture. The film's success led to several sequels and spin-offs, further embedding the Beetle in the hearts of fans. Its appearances in various films and television shows, including its role in the animated series, The Magic School Bus, made it a beloved symbol of fun and adventure. As the years went by, the Beetle underwent several changes in design and technology. Volkswagen introduced various models and special editions, such as the Super Beetle and the Baja Bug, catering to different tastes and needs. The Super Beetle featured a larger trunk and improved suspension, while the Baja Bug was designed for off-road enthusiasts. Despite these changes, the essence of the Beetle remained intact, with its distinctive shape and rear engine layout continuing to define its character. However, as the automotive industry evolved, so did consumer preferences, leading to a decline in Beetle sales. In 2003, Volkswagen announced the end of classic Beetle production, marking the conclusion of an era. The Beetle had not only shaped the automotive industry but had also left a lasting legacy in popular culture. Even today, it remains a symbol of the counterculture movement and continues to inspire car enthusiasts and designers alike. The Beetle's journey is a remarkable story of resilience and innovation, showcasing how a simple car can transcend its original purpose to become a beloved icon. But wait, there's more. In 2011, Volkswagen introduced a modern reinterpretation of the Beetle, aiming to capture the spirit of the original while incorporating contemporary design and technology. This new model retained the classic rounded shape but featured a more aggressive stance and updated features. While it garnered a loyal following, it never quite reached the iconic status of its predecessor. In 2019, Volkswagen announced the end of production for the modern Beetle, closing the chapter on a car that had become a symbol of freedom, individuality, and nostalgia. As we reflect on the history of the VW Beetle, we invite you to share your favorite memories or experiences with this iconic car in the comments below. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoyed your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.